Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is Perimeter and Area. Now exercise 13.3, page number is 188. So here first question, story sums. Students learning gardening were asked to make a flower bed along the walls of their school garden. The school garden is 70-meter long and 50-meter broad. So it means it is a rectangle shape. If square shape means all sides are equal. This is a shape of bed. If the school 70-meter long and 50-meter broad. So here 70-meter long and 50-meter broad. So it is a rectangle shape. If same measurement means both four sides should be 70 only or 50. What it is a total length of the flower bed to be made. Total length of the flower bed to be made means we have to find. So here we have to find total length of the flower bed. So here we have to find the flower bed in a rectangle shape. So flower bed in a rectangle shape. So here length is 70 meter and breadth is 50 meter. What is the total length of the flower means? Total length means perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle we have to find. Therefore, perimeter of rectangular shape flower bed. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B, length into breadth. So what is the length? Length value is given here. Length value is how much? 70 meter long and breadth is 50 meter. Length is 70 meter, breadth is 50 meter. Now formula is given 2 into L value is 70 plus breadth value is 50 equal to 70 plus 50 is how much? 120. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 120. So bracket means into. Now 2 into 120. 2 into 120 means 12 2s are 240 and this 0. Centimeter, meters. Everything in meters. So meter. Answer is 240 meter. Length of rectangle is 240 meter. Now next question here. Mr. Roy brought a carpet 15 meter long and 12 meter broad. What it is? Perimeter. So here measurement a meter length and breadth is different measurement. That is a rectangular shape. If same measurement means square shape. So here Mr. Roy brought a carpet. It is a rectangular shape. Carpet in rectangular shape. Carpet. Then what is the length? Length is 15 meter and breadth is 12 meter. It is given in the question. Now we have to find perimeter. Perimeter equal length rectangular shape perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L value is 15 plus breadth is 12. 2 into 15 plus bracket means into, so we can write into 15 plus 12 means 27. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 27. 27 2s is 54 and everything is meter. So perimeter of the carpet is how much? 54 meter. Now third question. Ava and Mohit are runners. They are preparing for an athletic championship. Means sports people, the runner. Every day they run 10 rounds of square field with the side measuring 200 meters. So every day both two members they run 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 rounds of the square field with the side measuring 200 meters. What distance do they run every day? Now we have to find the measurement. So here Abha and Mohit are runners. So this is square shape. Okay. It is square shape. Runners preparing for an athletic championship. Every day they run 10 rounds. Two people are there. Every day they run 10 rounds of a square field with the side measuring 200 meters. So one side is 200 meter. So all sides are same measurement. Here also 200, here also 200 and here also 200 meter. What distance do they run every day? Distance, total length means we have to find perimeter only. Now perimeter of square shape ground. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Now here, formula is square. No, square shape means 4S. 4S. One side is how much? 200 meter. So 4S means 4 into 200. 4 2s are 800 meter. This is one round. Okay. Perimeter for one round. What the distance do they run every day? So one round 800. Therefore 10 rounds. 10 rounds means 800 into 10. 10 rounds they run. So one round means one total length or distance covered is in one round 800 meter. For 10 round they run daily. Into 10 means 8,000 kilometer runs, no? So it is kilometers. 8,000 meters or 8 meters, or we can say 8 kilometer. Answer is 8,000 meter, or we can say 8 kilometer, because 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meters. Now fourth question. A rectangular field is of length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. So length and breadth different measurements, that is a rectangular shape. It has to be fence all around. Fence all around means length, total length we have to find. So it is a perimeter question. We have to find the total length, then it is a perimeter question that you have to understand. Find the length of fencing requirement. Total length we have to find. So rectangular shape, it is a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape. Then length is how much? Length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Now perimeter of rectangular shape, what? Field. Perimeter of rectangular shape field, formula is for rectangle 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So equal 2 into length is 60 plus breadth is 45 equal to 60 plus 45. 105. Now 2 into 105. How much? 2 into 105 means 210 meter. Perimeter of rectangular field is 210 meter. So here the length required to fence is 210 meter. The field is 210 meter. Next, fifth question. A square garden. So shape of the garden is square. Okay, square. Square garden is 56 meter long. So one side is 56 means everything is 56. All sides are 50 square, no? It's 56 meter long. How much wire is made for fencing around 2 times? So we have to find first 1 time. Fencing means we have to find the around the ground. Fencing around the ground means we have to find the total length of the garden. So that is perimeter. So we have to find perimeter. You have to understand the question and whether it is related to area, to find the area or perimeter. So here fence the ground means we have to find the total length of the ground. Total length means perimeter. So 2 round means first we have to find the 1 round. area perimeter, then we have to, with the answer we have to multiply with the S is 56 meter, multiply with 2. Now perimeter of square shape garden, what is the formula? 4S. 4S. 4 into S. 4 into S value is 56. 4 into 56 is 224 meter. This is for fencing for one round, means perimeter of a garden. Therefore to fence, this is for 1 round. Okay? Therefore to fence 2 round, 2 times equal to fence 2 times equal to 224 into 2. To fence around 2 times, right, full sentence. To fence around 2 times means 224 into 2. How much? 448 meter. This is the answer. Now 6th question. Perimeter of a square shaped carpet. So here also square shape. Perimeter of square shaped carpet, one side is 200, means everything is 200, 200, 200. All sides are in square, all sides are equal. Perimeter of square shaped carpet, so S value is 200, one side is 200. Perimeter of square shape carpet, equal, formula is 4S. Formula is 4S. Now 4 into S value is 200. 4 into 200 is, no, here perimeter of square carpet is 200 meter. What is the length of one side? So here perimeter is given, perimeter is 200. So here this is a perimeter, perimeter is 200. What is the length of one side? So we have to find length of one side. Now here perimeter here, so 4 S, 4 into S, 4 into S we have to find. So 4 into S is 4S only, 200. Now 200 by 4, after equal, no, into, in between into symbol is the into symbol means it will become division. Plus or minus is them, that symbol will be changed because we are transferring from right side to right side. So 200 as it is, 4 will become division because in between here into symbol, always into symbol become division. Plus or minus means that we have to change the symbol because we are shifting from one street to another street. Means left side to right side to left side. Equal, 4 will be written there. Yes. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 10. So 50. S equal 50 meter. One side is 50 meter. One side is 50 meter. Next, 7th question. A boundary wall is built around a rectangular land of length 26 meter and width 21 meter. Find the total length of the boundary wall. See, boundary wall is built around a rectangular shape. So here this is rectangular shape. Land of length 26 meter. Length. So length is 26 meter and width is 21 meter. So length is 26 meter and width is 21 meter. Find the total length of the boundary wall. So here we have to find the total length of the means perimeter. Perimeter equal 2 into rectangle, no, 2 into L plus B. So here 2 into, what is the L value? L value is 2 into L value is 26 plus breadth value is 21. 2 into, now 26 plus 21. 26 plus 21 is 47. Now 2 into 47 is 94 meter. 94 meter. Answer is perimeter. Total length of boundary wall is 94 meter. Total length we have to find. That means it is a perimeter. 94. Now next is calculate the missing measurement of each of the following square and triangle. Okay, say one. Calculate the missing measurement of each of the following squares and rectangular. So here perimeter and square is given, and length also of side we have to find. Here perimeter we have to find, length is given. Here perimeter is given, we have to find length. Here square perimeter we have to find. Okay. Now yes, first question in that. So what information is given? Perimeter is 16 mm and length we have to find. So which shape? It is a square. Square shape. Which shape? Square shape. First mean is square shape. So what is the formula to find perimeter? Perimeter equal 2 into L plus square shape, sorry, 4S. Square shape means 4S. Perimeter equal 4S. Perimeter is 160, that is given. 4 into side, L means one side. 4 into S we have to find. So 160, this 4 will come here because into means division, equal S. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 0. So S is equal to 40 meter. One side is equal to 40 meter. Now here second question. Perimeter is question mark, side is 20 meters, shape is square shape. So here we have to find, there is a second question. Perimeter dash, side is, length of one side is given. So perimeter of square means P into 4S. So P we have to find, 4 into S value is 20. 4 2s are 80 means, 4 2s are 8 means 80 meters. Perimeter of the square is 80 meter. That is over. Next, third one, perimeter is 484, side we have to find, and square shape is square shape. So perimeter equal square shape formula is, perimeter is 4S. Perimeter is given 484 equal 4 into S, 4S. So 484, this 4 will come here, shift here, and here S is here. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 ones are 4. So S is equal to 121 meter. 121 meter. So one side is 121 meter. Next, fourth question. Perimeter is question mark, side is given and shape is square shape. So perimeter of square shape equal 4S. And perimeter we have to find, 4 into S value is 30. 4 3s are 12. So 120 centimeter or meter. Centimeter. 120 centimeter. Perimeter is 120 centimeter. Now here perimeter of rectangle, fifth question, everything is rectangle here now. Breadth is question mark, length we have to find, then breadth is given, length we have to find, here breadth we have to find, and here length we have to find. Now here perimeter of rectangle is 180, breadth is question mark, length we have to find. Perimeter of rectangle means formula is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is given 180, 2 into L value is 60. L value is how much? 60 plus B value is we have to find. B we have to find, right? What is given? 182 into 60 and L. So 180 equal 2 into 60 is how much? 2 6 are 120 plus, what bracket means into multiplication. 2 into 60 is 120 plus 2 into B is 2B. So we have to find the B value. Then 180 plus 120 will become minus, because we are changing right side number into left side. Place is changed, so symbol is changed. Equal. So plus 2b only, because after equal means it is a right side. Before equal number is left side. After equal is right side. So we are writing in the same side. We are not shifted to other street. So here 180 same street. Don't change the symbol. Any one side we have to change. So 120 will become minus 120. Plus will become minus. No symbol means plus is there, because we are shifting from one street to another street. So here shifted to right side to left, transforming. Now 180 minus 120 is 60 equal 2b. So 60 by 2, because in between 2 into symbol will always division, and this b. 2 ones are 2 30s are 60. Therefore b equal breadth equal 30 meter. 30 meter. That question is over. Now next, sixth one. Perimeter of rectangle is 26 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Why you have to find length? So perimeter of rectangle equal 2 into L plus B. Here perimeter is given 26. 2 into L values we have to find, and breadth is given 5. Okay. Now 26 as it is, and bracket means multiplication. Multiply 2 into L is 2L, and here plus symbol, right, as it is. 2 into 5 is 2 5 is 10. Bracket means multiplication. Now 26, any number is there without symbol, this is L, so we can't write. So number is plus 10, convert here, transfer here, so plus will become minus 10 equal 2L as it is, 2L. Okay. Now 26 minus 10 is 16. 16 equal 2L. So 16 by 2 equal L. 16 by 2 equal L. Now cancel, we can both will multiply 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 8s are. So therefore L equal 8 meter. Now next question. Perimeter of rectangular is 110 centimeter. Breadth is question mark. Length is 30 meter. Perimeter of rectangle equal 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is given 110 centimeter. 2 into L value is 30 plus B question mark. Now 110 equal 2 into 30 is 2 3s are 6, 60 plus 2 into B is 2B. Okay. Now 110, any numbers? Yes, here. Shift the place, shift the street. Okay. Right street into means transform. 60 will become minus, because plus symbol we are shifting from right side to left side. So its symbol is changed. Then equal symbol 2b. Here we are not changing symbol, because 2b in same side, right side. After equal symbol. That's why you are not changing the symbol. Now 110 minus 60. 110 minus 60 means 50 equal 2b. Now 50 by 2, because here into symbol, into means it will become division. If plus or minus means plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Equal 2 shifted there, then b. 2 ones are 2, 25 is a 50. Therefore b equal 25 centimeter, because unit are given in centimeter. Now next, eighth one. Perimeter of rectangular is 200 centimeter. Breadth is 40 centimeter. Length we have to find. So perimeter of rectangle equal 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is given 200 centimeter. 2 into L value we have to find, and B value is 40. Okay, now 200 equal 2 into L is 2L plus multiplying 2 into 40. Bracket means into multiplication. Bracket means into 2 into 40 is 2 4s are 80. Now 200, any numbers? Yes, numbers are 80 is a number, and it is algebraical term, because numeral with letter. So it is algebraical term. Only number is 80. Shift here, change the place, change the street. Right side will become left side, so symbol also changed. Equal. Then 2L, it is on the right side only, so no need to change the symbol. Okay, same. If you are shifting from right side to left or left to right means we have to change the any one set. Now 200 minus 80. 200 minus 80 means 120 equal 2L. So 120, this will become division, denominator, because here into symbol, together means into symbol. So we have to divide. Into means, if plus means plus will become minus, minus means minus will become plus. Okay, 2 already shifted there, so L. 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 16. L equals 60 centimeter. L equals 60 centimeter. Now next, area of irregular shapes. This shapes is curved lines. Area we have to find. Area means here, figure means just counting the numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just counting the numbers here. So here place square centimeter and grand. You can count squares to find its approximate area. So how many full squared? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is not covered, so here this is 1, so totally 8 is full square. Okay, then count the number of more than half square covered, means more half or more than half. So 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 12. And here we can't don't very small, don't count very small one. This also 1, 2, 3. Don't count half or more than half we can count, but not less than half. Okay. So here exercise 12.6. Find the approximate area by counting square. Each square is side of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means we have to just count and write the number. Half is considered, half or more than half is considered 1 only. No need to count first square then count. Just count the more than half also 1 and full square also 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More than half, no? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, because more than half, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, more than half, half or more, 19, 20, this is also half, 21, 22. So what is the square area? Area is equal to 22 square centimeter here. And second figure, very less, no need to count. This is 1 only, half or more than 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, half square is covered, so 5 we can consider, 6, 7, here also half is covered, more than quarter, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is also half and half, quarter and quarter, 9, 10. So here area is equal to 10 square centimeter. 1 by 4th we should not count. Half or more than half is considered 1 square. So here the in square, this is more than half. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to count because 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th no need. Half we can count. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No need to count this because this is 1 by 4th. 9 over 10, 11, 12, 13. No need to count this because 1 by 4th. Half or more than half we can count. So how much? 13 over. Then 14, 15, 16, 17. No need to count this part because 1 by 4th. 17. This is total half. 18, 19, 20. Half we can consider. So here total square is area is 20 square centimeter. Okay. Now fourth question. Here half of the square that we have to check. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is half, but this is quarter, 1 by 4th. Okay. 1 by 4, and this is also not half. If half means we can consider here. This is not half. This is not half. Quarter. Quarter we should not count. Half or more than full square. This covered full square. 2 or 3 also covered full more than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Area equal 4 square centimeter.